Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to CYB TV. This is Cherish and I have a straightened hair video. So as you were able to tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you on how you can get salon results from home. So if you are looking to get sleek, just flowy, bouncy, non-weighed down hair, then this video is definitely for you. I have been doing this routine for straightening my hair for the last I've been doing it for a long time, I would say, but consistently for the last year. I finally just realized what works for me and what's the best products to use for me and what not to do in order to keep my natural curls whenever I don't want it straight. So pretty much that's what I'm going to be sharing with you, the tools, the technique, and everything that I do in order to get this look, but also for my natural hair to be able to come back to its natural state, and that means the curls in all its glory. So yeah, and if you haven't noticed, I have dyed my hair black. So if you have been watching me for a while and been subscribed to this channel, then you will know that my hair was blonde for a cool minute, at least 3 years or so, and I just finally said, you know what, I want to change, and it was all grown out anyways. It was either redo it or go back to black, so I decided to go back to black, and I'm loving it. Like seriously, I just feel like it just looks so clean, and my hair just looks so shiny and just lustrous, and I'm glad I went back to black. But anyways, this video is about straightening my hair, and hopefully if it works for me, if you try it out, it could work for you as well. And keep in mind, I do have fine thin hair, so my hair is a little different when it comes down to what I do versus a person with like thick hair. So if you want to see how I get these results, then keep on watching. So my hair is blow dried. If you guys haven't seen my blow dry routine, then go check that out. I also do the review on the Revlon one-step blow dryer, and yeah, so go check that out. But my hair is already blow dried, so I'm about to flat iron it and show you guys my flat iron routine. So I'm starting out with my hair up. I always do this, but I'm using my Remington flat iron that I've been using for over a year, almost 2 years, and I have it on 420. So I only do one pass. I don't use any products in my hair when I'm flat ironing. I already put a heat protectant in, so you will see me use that in my blow dry routine, but I don't put anything else in my hair. And I use this chase brush. So on a past flat iron video, I used this, but I've been using this for about 3 years now, and I super love this thing. Okay, it's perfect. It's just the right amount of thickness, and it just works really, really well. I got this from, well, my mom had got me one from Avon, so she gave me this one, and it's called Advanced Techniques. But it's a really good chase brush. I don't do the comb chase method. I've never done that. I've always just either did the flat iron regular, or when I got this, then I always use this now. So I hope I never lose this. But I always start in the back. Always start on the back. And I use like a regular tooth comb. And what I do is I make sure I hit my roots a couple of times. And then I grab my chase brush. And then I just steadily go down my hair. Very nice and slow, so I can only have to do one. So I only have to do one pass. And there you go. So I'm going to do this side. Hit my roots. Cherish brush. Nice and slow. Slow and steady. And there we go. And there we have it. Okay. And I take, the sections I take are pretty big because I have fine, thin hair. I can take bigger sections. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird to have black hair. So I'm obviously done with my hair, and I just wanted to come back because after I finish doing my hair, I normally just wrap it up in my wrap, whether it's at night or in the day, because I like to just wrap it up just to kind of seal and mend everything together, just to make sure it's extra sleek. And after I took it out, this is how it looks. Yeah. And also, I just wanted to mention that in order to get a good flat iron, in order to get these type of results, like salon results, I pay close attention to the washing of my hair, the conditioning of my hair, and also the blow drying of my hair. And I did do separate videos on that. Yeah, I'm going to put links to both of those videos in the description box so you can check that out. But I'm going to show you guys my hair view. So here's the side. Here's this side. And I'll show you the back. But if you guys like how my hair came out and you like how I showed you on what you can do in order to get these type of results from home, then be sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.